record? Like now? Hey, how you doing? How's it going? We're okay, right? Yeah. Flattening that curve. All right. So, as promised, I told you I was going to show you how to do some of the styles from Insecure, from the new season of Insecure. Because we're not focusing on Molly's trifling butt or on any of the other cast members. We're focusing on their hair, not their insecure personalities. So, I'm going to start with the easiest style today. I'm going to start with Kelly's style from the scene where they're in the fundraiser party and she's doling out the drinks and, you know, flirting at people and stuff. Want to take them off the team. Yeah, I'm going to focus on that hairstyle, so it's the easiest one. So, this is what I did. Remember when I had my hair in that braided up do? I had my hair in all those individual braids pulled up in a ponytail. I took it down because I'm going to wash my hair. But before I wash my hair, I have a Zoom meeting because I'm about to go on furlough. Yeah, it's getting tough out here. We're going to MacGyver some styles though. So, what I did, I took all of my braids down and I have this beautiful braid out right here. It's really, really cute. So I'm going to show you how to do Kelly's style real quick. Stay tuned. So if you put your hair in individual braids like I did, and when you take them out and you're about to wash your hair, but you want to like get another cool style for the Zoom meeting just before you hop in the shower and wash your hair, basically, she had in the scene when she was working the bar at the party, she had a twist out or a braid out. So what we're gonna do, we have our edge brush and edge comb. We have the Style Factor edge booster again. And we have some hairpins. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you this really quick, cool style. I'm going to take a little bit of the edge control and control my edges because they are not cooperating. Very unruly, ungrateful little edges right there. I'm going to shellac that down there. Yes, I said shellac. Yep. I'm going to take the little brush here, slick them down real good. I get some, some still looking in my mirror over here. It's still fabulous and it's still very extra. That's why it's not on camera, because you're going to be like, she's crazy. I'm not crazy. So, you're going to bobby pin your hair up to the side, right here. You're going to take two bobby pins. So, I'm going to open them up. I got one going up, we're going to have one going down. Now she had like a little bang going, so it was like a cute little bang. My hair is I'm not a lot longer than hers, it's like a little bit longer than hers. So it might not be as cute. I'm going to try to figure out how to do this. But my hair is more in my eyes. My hair is like here. Her hair was kind of like just above her eyeline, probably because she had her ends rolled. That's a quick tip. If you do a braid out or twist out, if your ends are really bad off with heat damage and they're really, really straight, you can put like a perm rod roller on them and they'll be curly to match your curly hair. So if you have a lot of heat damage and you have a lot of straight ends or you have a lot of color damage, like maybe I have, we don't know. If you have a lot of damage, you can mask that damage with rollers. So we're gonna take some hair, not that much probably, and we're also gonna put it back. I'm not gonna put some edge control on this side because I have plans for this side for the next Insecure style. But you can put edge control on that side. So we're gonna just pull it back. Somebody's having a party. Is it a coronavirus party? So you put your hair back both sides. You could do it a little bit better than the way I'm doing it. Fluff it up maybe right here. And boom, that is Kelly's hairstyle from the party. I'm going to put it side by side and see if you think it's similar. But this is what I think happened with her hair. I think she had her ends rolled, or maybe her ends were so healthy and grateful that when she twisted it up and did the twist out of the braid out, it was just nice and curly on the ends. And she just pulled it back here to get it out of her face and pulled it back on this side and created a cute little bang. Sometimes people take their hair and put a ponytail holder around it to create a bang. I've never been successful with that, so we're not doing that today. So there is a quick, cute style that you can learn from Insecure, and I will probably be taking more styles from season 4, episode 1. I also probably will be watching the whole season to figure out what the heck is up with Molly. And another thing, why didn't Lawrence...
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow her. Peace.